Good morning. I am Pavithra from Bengaluru, Tamil Nadu, and I have completed my master's degree in the stream of computer application from Bengaluru University, and I have completed my bachelor's degree in the stream of computer application from Bengaluru University. I have joined PYSPIDER in the month of September after attending the Rahul sir's demo sessions, and I got an idea about the course which I need to improve my skills. So I want to talk about the faculties who gave the knowledge on SQL, which is taken by Karthik sir, and Python, which is taken by Ishan sir, and Rahul sir, Purnima ma'am, and HR Nikhil sir. I want to thank all of them. So I have placed in the Nagar and with the package of 3 LPA. Thank you. Thank you, PYSPIDER Basavanagudi. Thank you, PYSPIDER Basavanagudi.